How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 64 Chevy Impala SS. This is a true SS car. Come out of California. It's had a frame up restoration done on it. Super nice car. All original panels. Car straight as an arrow down the sides. It looks like all the hood trim and the headlight trim's all been replaced. It is the original front bumper and it looks great. Couple little marks on it, but it's very nice. They did all new side trim on the car. It's done in a Bolero red. It's got super slick paint on it. It's all been wet sand and wheeled smooth. You have to bear with us, the sun kind of keeps coming and going today. Looks like they replaced all the trim on the deck lid. It's got a re-chrome rear bumper on it. It's got your bumper guards. Just a super nice car. Straight, slick down the sides. It's got the Kreger SS's and BFGs. This is the original 327 4 barrel. They updated it with a Holly. It's got your factory exhaust. It's got power steering. It's got power front disc brakes. So it's all detailed very nice under the hood. It's got the heavy duty radiator with the correct shroud. So all the jams are real nice. Now the interior is the original door panels, and it appears the seats covers are original and excellent condition. Dash has a little bit of wear to it. It's been updated with an Ididit tilt column. Headliner looks real nice. Got the factory buckets in it and the center console. All real nice condition. I tell you, it's hard to find an SS Impala anymore. Trunk all looks real good in the car. And I tell you, the car's super slick. Straight down the sides. That's a long car to make straight and nice. But that kind of speaks for the car itself. It's got all the correct trim on the dash. They did do a retrofit AM/FM stereo in it. So it's hard to believe these are original door panels. They're in excellent condition. We'll fire this thing up. Got a high torque starter on it. Got a nice dual exhaust. I like the little moon cat eyes on the headlights. All the blinkers, everything works. Got electric choke on it. It's a little cold today. Sounds real good off the exhaust. So it's just a super nice car. Everything on it works. Drives excellent. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.